it's Marie Hoffman, Hoffman Murphy Real Estate. I'm standing here at my home and I'm with all the folks from Enviroscape. And you know, I'm a big ocean person, grew up here in Southern California. It's really important to me that everything that we have stays where it needs to go and it doesn't go into the ocean and affects the birds and the wildlife and the marine mammals. So I'm standing here with Louis from Enviroscape. Tell us a little bit about what we're doing here.
Yeah, I'll give you a real quick, brief explanation. I'll tell you first how things used to be. And when I say the way things used to be, how most homes handle their rainwater. This particular pipe here used just to go all the way out to the street. So every time it would rain on your roof, on the side yard there, water would then be funneled out to the street where it would then collect all the pollutants. So I say pollutants, I mean all that road dust, oil, gas, herbicides, pesticides, feces from animals that are along the roadway, and all that water would then go out to the Pacific Ocean. It would contaminate the ocean. So none of that water would replenish our groundwater supply. Now what we did here at your property, you notice this pipe comes into this area here,
Right.
connects down, then it follows the path down because water doesn't go up. And in what I'm standing on here, it's called a rain eco box. Now these are installed to help capture our rainwater and put it back down to the earth where it was intended to go. Now water that falls on the ocean, well, that goes directly to the ocean. Can't do much about that. But the water that is collected here on these concrete and hardscapes, we're now going to direct it back down to the earth. So when it rains, Marie, you're going to come out here and you could come out here, you'd actually see that water coming and going straight down to the soil level here.
I love it.
Yeah,
I love it.
There's so much research done. The Daily Breeze just had an article this week on ocean-friendly gardens. And if you could capture that first inch of rain that falls and make it go back down to the soil, you are protecting the ocean so much. There's great numbers on it. Surfrider Foundation has defined it and has those numbers, ocean-friendly gardens. So that's what we're doing here. We're capturing that first rain, that first inch, 2 inches. Now we do have, in case of overflow, years ago we had El Nino, we got a ton of rain, right? And we did prepare for that as well. But again, the goal is just to capture as much water as possible, keep it here on site, and that's what we're achieving here.
And you know, it's so important for those of you out there who are trying to put together gardens is that you start at the basis with this. You want to keep the water on your property. You want to be using your California native plants. And you know, when you go to bed at night, you're going to know that you really made a difference and you're going to have all the joy of living in this beautiful nature.